Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here with another Lenormand deck. I've had like a little flurry of them lately. And this is the De la Nuit Lenormand, so I'm assuming it's of the night, by Alexandra Bach. It's a Lo Scarabeo deck. We have a little booklet with it that is in 4 languages. At the beginning of the book is English. You've got some how to do your spreads, the cards, and the meanings of each of them. And I love this because it shows the description as well, so you get an understanding for, you really get in connect, you have a connection with them. Caroline is a French writer who studied literature and graduated from a Parisian film school. She's the author of many books, including 3 novels published in France and abroad. She loves cats, heroes, fairy tales, spirituality, and self-growth. Being a tarot expert, she's conceived and written the Cat Tarot, Tarot de la Nuit, and De la Nuit Oracle. And you've got Alexandra as well, who's the artist whose work has graced countless books in her native France. Okay, and then you have each of the cards. So let's have a look. I was quite curious to get this one actually, because look at this front. He's just so cute. So I can't pronounce Caroline's surname, but it's Alexandra and Caroline. Right, this is the back of the cards. Let me show them to you. Move that to that side. Let's not do that. We won't start at the end. Here's the beginning. So you have the rider. Oh, these are atmospheric, aren't they? Oh, I like these. Star. Let me know in the comments what you think about Lenormand, if you've started using them, if you started including them in your practice. They're really, really direct. I love them. You get the bigger cards and the smaller cards. I use the Dreaming Way Lenormand quite a lot. That's my deck. But these are gorgeous. Very pretty. And the Celtic cross for the cross. Okay, so that is the De la Nuit Lenormand. Okay, let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.